everyone, this is Shibala. In today's class we'll see how we can convert our speech to text through Python. So for converting speech to text we need a library in Python, and that is speech recognition. So for that, as I'm using Anaconda, I'll be using Spider today. You can even use IDLE or maybe Jupyter you can use, or any IDE of your choice you can use. So I'll be using Spider. So I will go to environment, I'll click on this open terminal, and then I will type here pip install speech recognition and enter. Wait for some time. So this speech recognition library is used to perform speech recognition, which will recognize your voice or speech, and then it will we'll use microphone class of speech recognition. But remember one more thing, when you are using microphone class, then make sure you installed Pi Audio in your laptop or computer. Okay, so you can see this is successfully installed. Now coming back to Spider now. So I'll start writing program for speech recognition. Okay, first line will be the import, which is import speech underscore recognition, as I'll give it a short name, maybe SR. Now after this, to obtain the audio from the microphone, I told you one thing, that we are using microphone to detect the audio. When you are using microphone class, make sure you have Pi Audio installed. Now I will take a variable, maybe I'll give it a name as R, and then I'll take SR, which is the short form of speech recognition library, dot recognizer. I'll be taking recognizer. So this will recognize the speech, and then I'll put my coding inside this try and accept. Okay, so for this try I'll take accept, and here I'll print in this accept maybe any error, I'll write error only. Okay, so inside this try I'll put with the short form of speech recognition, I'll take live microphone class. Okay, so this microphone as a source I am taking, and okay, now for me to recognize that it is the time to speak now, so I'll print say something. So this way I'll come to know that I have to speak now. Now I'll take a variable, maybe audio is equal to, now this R, and all the magic in speech recognition happens through this recognizer class only. Okay, so I'll take R dot, now I'll take listen method. Okay, this method I'll take, and in this I am using source as the argument. Okay, so this, what is this source? This is sr.microphone as source we are using. Okay, now I'll take a variable, maybe command. What it will do, it will use r dot recognize, and then I'll take Google. So and in this I'll take audio as an argument. Okay, now what is this recognize Google? This is a Google web speech API. Okay, and just remember one thing, this always takes an argument, so do not keep it empty. You have to give argument which is taking the value from listen. Okay, now in this I'll use print to print whatever is recognized, so I'll use use said. Okay, so whatever you say or whatever you speak will be concatenated with use said. Okay, and now this I am passing the command which was the argument, variable name. So I'll use this variable name inside print. Okay, now let me save it and let me run it. Okay, I will not. Now say something. You said say something. Okay, let me run it one more time. Hey everyone, please subscribe the channel. You said hey everyone, please subscribe the channel. So this way you can use a speech recognition library. So that's all for today's class. We'll see more interesting videos in our next class. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.